M&H Baby Hair Clipper Waterproof Ultra Quiet Chargeable by Sunitoria is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. With low noise and super slim design, not to wake up baby. Cordless operation of 60 minutes on a 3-hour charge. Charger input voltage, AC 100-240V, it can also charge and be used simultaneously. With 2 attachment guide combs, thinning out, 3-6 mm, 9-12 mm, with those attachments will be comfortable and convenient to use and for their babies not afraid of making mistakes. Serration ceramic cutter with ABS eco-friendly material for its body and equipped with a high-power motor. The dismountable ceramic cutter, easy to clean, smooth treated blade angle, unique bevel design, protects the baby's scalp from being scraped. Product specification. Product name, Baby Hair Clipper. Charger, input AC 100-240V, output DC 35V 1000 mAh. Charger battery, 12V 800 mAh, 2 pieces. Use time per each charging time, about 50 minutes. Charging time, about 3 hours. Comes with a cleaning brush. Size, 152-44-35 mm. Package includes 1X hair clipper trimmer, 2X hair combs, 1X cleaning brush, 1 by charger, 1 by user manual English. Note: oil accessories not included. Do not wash the haircut body in water or put into water. The cutter head only can be disassembled to wash. Usage of direct power. 1. Charged plug should be inserted into the clipper trough. 2. Make sure on-off switch is off before put the charger plug in. 3. Push the on-off switch to on, then start to use charger usage. 1. Put charger plug into the clipper trough. 2. Make sure on-off switch is off before put the charge plug in. 3. Charging indicator should be in the charging status. 4. After 3 hours charging, take off charger and push the on-off switch to on, then start to use. Matters needing attention. 1. Please do not disassemble the product by yourself. 2. Please do not use water to clean the product and put it in moisture place. 3. Product can only be allowed to clean by cloth with a little water or mild soap liquid. 4. Product should not be charged in environment above 40 degrees or below 0 degrees. 5. Product will be hot while use or charge but not abnormal.